Hi guys, this is Yana and today we're gonna taste the salad that my mom made.
My mom ate?
Made!
Made. Oo, nakain eh.
Yeah, made.
What are those, Yana?
Salad.
Yeah, I know, it's salad.
There's corn, pepino, lettuce, and mayonnaise.
And secret ingredients.
And secret ingredients.
There's also sesame seeds.
Mm.
Like it? This is not the first batch. This is all This is the second batch or second plate. What time is it? Early in the morning she's eating salad.
Healthy tayo guys.
For today's video,
Vegetarian. Vegetarian.
eating on the bed instead of what? Instead of
Yeah.
working out.
Papayat din naman ako, gulay lang te.
Yes. It's been a long time, Yana. Yana.
Mm.
It's been a long time. You like it? Do you like the content? Do you like that content?
Yeah.
Okay. Our content starting from today is
Gulay.
no,
Ha?
no.
Mukbang.
You like it?
Mm.
But you always use this plate,
Hmm?
small plate only, huh?
Mm. Mm.